Okay, I'm going to use these shapes that I've made. It's better go ahead and save a new version before I go too much further. I'm going to use these shapes to build pixel layers. So over in my layers zone, I'm just going to start a new layer. I should remember also that my work path just needs to be renamed before I go any further. So I don't want to delete any of that good stuff by mistake. Okay. What I wanted to do on this layer is to fill the background circle for the diamond and the heart, which are actually back to front. Excellent. I don't want that. I want things to be a little bit different there. So I might need to realign these. Align vertical centers. Oops, I mean align horizontal centers. Same over here. And these ones for vertical. That's better. Alright, so oh, that stupid heart. We know that about hearts though, don't we? That's stupid. Okay, right. Now, this I want to fill with white. So if I just go ahead and fill this, I may see that things go a little bit sideways. That wasn't what I wanted. So the reason that this is doing this is because of the vector path mode. I'm going to go ahead and set that to combine shapes. Same for the other one. In fact, I'll do it for all of them. Set these all to combine shapes. This time when I fill that subpath with white, I should find that I get a white circle. Lovely. These guys, now I can do them together. If I want, I will set to a background color of red. Lovely. The heart and the diamond, I'll fill those subpaths. I've got an exclusion thing here. Let's just go see if this works. Red, oh yeah. And these bad boys, let's fill them with black. Black, okay, sweet. So now I can deselect my work path. I've got a pixel-based layer here, and it's all sort of looking reasonably good. I'm just going to go ahead and bang together some duplicates. Merge those down, and it's looking pretty good. I'll go ahead and make some more. Okay, I'm going to save there and save as. And then my last step will be to organise all this into something that works with the background there.